To turn off traction control on your Citroen C3, this is a 2021 model, we have to do it via this menu here. You might want to do this if you're stuck in the mud and you want your wheels to have a chance to spin. Or for example, if you're stuck in snow and you want the wheels to spin to try to gain a bit of traction. So what we have to do is we have to go to the car icon here. And we're going to go to traction control here. You can see off and on. By default it's on. We're going to just tap I here just to show you, and it says limits wheel skids to maintain good traction, reactivation above a certain speed. So we're just going to go back and we're going to turn that off. And that is it, anti-slip regulation deactivated. But it will automatically come back on every time you switch back on the ignition, or if you go above 31 miles per hour, so that's 50 kilometers per hour. But that's it. If you're just stuck somewhere, that may help you out. Thanks for watching.